Hello everyone, welcome back to my Diamond Addiction. This is Valerie and Taylor and Taylor's little monster. Did you want to show me your little monster? That's her stuffed animal that her Aunt Nikki got her for her birthday. Okay, we are going to unbox the second Diamond Art Club kit. This one came in the new pink bag, or pink box.
You just showed me it, but I don't.
And it is this one. It's called Worlds Away. I will insert a picture here.
Can I try to? Can you cut it and I do the rest?
Sure. Sorry about Taylor's coughing. She woke up this morning sick, so.
Yeah. It's like a book.
She's going to bring this down here so she can open it. There we go.
Can you cut it a bit more?
Sure can.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's like a present.
It's like opening a present, huh?
You don't know what it is.
Well, you know what it is now. You just stared it right in the eyeballs.
I thought it was a bunny. Yeah, really tell it's a bunny.
You think it's a bunny? No? Okay. Well, let's open it up and see what it is, shall we?
I think it's a bunny by the water.
A bunny by the water? Well, we are going to look. There's the beautiful canvas. Set it down right there.
It's like
The toolkit. And there's the big old bag of drills. This one is a round with some AB gems in it.
it looks all black.
While she's opening that, I'll show you. Here is the gorgeous pink box.
I'm laying everything out. You can.
Baggies, huh?
Now you already know it came with the baggies.
Right. Okay, what color squishy did we get this time?
Blue!
Show them. Yay, we got a blue one. That goes on the blue pen.
And it almost matches.
Right?
Same. 2 hearts. Wax. Here's the little thingy.
3-placer.
3-placer. And here's the,
Did you just chuck that across the room?
and here's the bow.
Alright, let's get those put back away. And we will take a look at this gorgeous canvas.
How about,
I'll open that. You put those away?
Yeah.
Alright.
let's you win.
Oh. I guess we're racing.
I won.
Dang it. On there, it comes in their bag that always says, Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. Alright, so this one,
Whoa, it's rainbow. Whoa.
back up just a little bit.
It's pretty.
Hold on just a second. Alright, sorry about that. Hubby sent my son down to tell me to come here. So I had to go up and see what he wanted. Okay,
Daddy.
so this is Worlds Away.
Oh, it's pretty.
It is I believe it's a Mandy Manzano. I think that's how you say her name. Anyway, it is a gorgeous canvas. Absolutely gorgeous. This is another one that I have had my eye on for a while. And with the BOGO, just decided to go ahead and purchase it. There are 39 colors in this one. And here is, if I start at the top, I guess, the symbol list for this one. And the drill field. And it is an absolutely gorgeous canvas.
I love it.
This is a 73 by 55.
I don't care if it's all black. I just love it.
You love it?
I don't like it.
And it is super sticky.
Yeah.
The glue and everything looks great. I don't see any issues in the glue.
Grandma.
What?
I see a glitter one.
You see a glittery one?
Yeah.
There's lots of pretty glitter in this canvas, huh? So in typical Diamond Art Club fashion, do what makes you sparkle. Diamond Art Club across the top. Stop touching the glue, please. The sparkly canvas and the super soft back of the canvas.
It feels like a cat.
Like cat fur? It
Yeah.
does, huh? It's very soft. Okay, so 73 by 55, 39 colors. And let's take a look at the colors in this beautiful thing.
Ooh, soft.
Alrighty, there's your section. My section.
We're going to pause this video and we see you in a little while.
Why are we pausing the video?
So they don't have to hear. So they can do something else when we're doing this.
Oh, what else do they want to do?
I don't know.
Well, then how do you know they don't want to see the colors that are in it?
We will come back to you later.
I guess we're going to come back to you in a minute. We're going to go ahead and pause this.
So I actually paused it.
She didn't pause it. She shut it off. So we're back with a new clip now.
Yeah.
We've got the colors all laid out here. These right here are special diamonds that come with this kit.
I don't know what the special diamond
And these are AB drills that come with this. Yep, go to the bathroom. Step right here. And then over there. There you go. Okay. So let's count them and make sure that we have 39 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. So all of the colors are here. Everything looks beautiful, as expected. Let's see. Look at all those 939s. I mean, wow, and 310s. Wow, wow. There's a bit here. So there's some pretty dark colors, 3371, 823. But there's also some very pretty bright, vibrant colors. The purples up through here, very pretty. The purples and blues over here, very pretty. Yeah, so I think this is going to turn out amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, let's go over the unboxing score. Accuracy of description, easy to understand, clear and correct. Yes, it is exactly what they said it was going to be. Processing time, again, I ordered these on Thursday and got them today, which is Saturday. So, lightning fast shipping. So they'll get the point for that. Outside packaging. We showed that in video 1. This is video 2 of the Diamond Art Club unboxing. Ooh, careful there. There we go. Taeler's back. So I'll go ahead and put a link up here, over there in the eye, to the first video, so you can see how how it arrived to my house. But the outside packaging, it was in a great big box with a whole bunch of paper. It was definitely packaged well, so they'll get the point for that. The inside packaging, we're at 3 right now. The inside packaging, so it was in this box, and then the canvas was rolled up in this plastic bag, and the drills were all put in a plastic thing. So everything looks good there.
We didn't do those ones.
Yeah, we did. I just picked them up. They were all on here. So they'll get the point for the inside packaging because it was packaged with care and attention.
What?
Yep. They did include the toolkit, the drills, and the canvas.
Awesome.
So there's 5, right? The canvas condition, there were no hard creases. There are actually no creases at all in the canvas. Canvas condition is flawless. You couldn't ask for a more perfect canvas.
We're going to have to check on the black when we kit this up.
Or are we going to kit this one up? Yeah. Okay. So there's 6 points. The glue condition, it's flat, it's sticky, there's no bubbles, there's no runs, there's no rivers, there's no anything. It is amazing. So there's 7. The drill condition, there are no, I didn't see any garbage even in like the 3 pins here. I didn't see any garbage at all. So they'll get the point for that.
8.
The symbols are all clear and easy to read. I actually want to take a closer look at those. Yes, very clear, very easy to read. Doing this canvas won't be an issue at all.
8.
Yep, so there's 8, 9, that was 9. Overall, am I impressed? Oh man, how could you not be impressed by that canvas and this kit?
Where do the special ones go?
Right here. And right here.
No, on the canvas.
Oh, where do they go? So this is 121, so look for 1s.
Let's do 1.
Yep, so one of them will go right there. And one will go right here. So that right here, right here, right here. So those will just go sporadically throughout here randomly. And then these ones are 138. 138. Which are those little symbols right there, T?
Okay.
So they will go
9, 3. Oh, 3, 9. I think all right here.
No, see this little symbol right here? That's the symbol we're looking for. I don't know. They will go in here somewhere. We will figure it out. Nope. We will figure it out. Oh, over here. So it's going to go over through here.
And here.
Over through there. Okay, so that's where the special drills will go.
I love it.
Yes, I love this kit. I'm absolutely ecstatic about it.
I want the 1.
Yeah, you like the 1-1s?
Like,
Where it's going to be little diamonds all sparkly throughout it?
yeah.
So this one is high up on my list to do as well. I don't know how I'm actually ever going to prioritize the ones I want to do. Overall unboxing score would be a 10 out of 10.
That's 1 out of 1.
It's 10 out of 10.
That makes
Okay,
20.
if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. We thank you for watching and subscribing, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.